Humbug Whistle? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
So for part A, the pressure of a liquid is given by the density times G times H. So putting those numbers in place, the density is 1025 and the value of G is 9.8 and the depth we have is 11,000 meters. So putting those numbers in a calculator gives me the pressure is equal to 1.1 times 10 to the power 8 Pascal. And then we know that pressure is equal to force over area. That would then mean that force is equal to pressure into area. So pressure is 1.1 times 10 to the power 8 and the area is times pi times zero point 0.1 squared. The radius of the window is given as zero point 0.1 and that comes out to be equal to 3.5 times 10 to the power 6 Newton. Now for part B, it says find the weight of a jetliner. So weight is equal to mg. The mass given is 1.2 times 10 to the power 5 times that with 9.8 gives me the weight is equal to 1.2 times 10 to the power 6 newtons.